So now that we know what it takes to make a business, I want to show you guys why affiliate marketing is really the best way for you guys to start. And the reason is that as an affiliate marketer, all you need to do is focus on marketing, all right? And so that means that all those other branches of the business, they don't really matter to you because you don't have to be involved. You just have to do one thing. And that's the reason why it's so easy to succeed in this business. And so in order to give you a little bit more insight on that, every single company develops a budget, and that budget is developed for every department. And so what does it look like to develop a budget for the marketing department? That means that they're going to look at all of their data and they're going to say, you know what, we are willing to spend this amount of money in order to acquire a new customer. And that's important because once a company understands how much money they're willing to pay to acquire a new customer, now they realize that that money can be paid to anybody. And that's where we come in. So why affiliate marketers? It's because it's cheaper and it has crazy potential. Let me explain that a little bit further. You know, if you're a company and you need to hire, let's say, a department of 20 marketers, you're going to have to pay the health insurance of those 20 marketers. You're going to have to pay insurance for them, like workers' comp and things like that. And then there's a lot of paperwork that comes behind that. And then you're going to have to hire other people to manage them. So you see how that can get expensive very quickly. And then you also have to manage the low performers. And if you just open up an affiliate marketing program, you don't have to worry about any of that because you're opening up your sales funnel to the entire world. And so that means that you can have, 1,000 people who are affiliate marketers for you. And you don't even, as a company, you don't care if they're good or bad because you're only going to deal with the marketers that are actually bringing you sales, the ones that are actually bringing you new customers. So you see how as a company, it's very beneficial for them. And for us, it's beneficial because that means that we can work from home, we can work from anywhere in the world, and we can still make money by not having to worry about all the other things that entails building a company. So it's really a win-win for both parties. Now, if we really want to take a look at the future of affiliate marketing, I typed this into Google and I took a screenshot so that all of you can see. It says right here that in the United States alone, spending on affiliate marketing has grown by 10% per year for a decade. I mean, this is growing at a tremendous rate. Right here it says that affiliate marketing is going to reach 8.2 billion in 2022. That is insane amount of money. I mean, this is, in my opinion, relatable to, like having the opportunity to jump on Bitcoin 10 years ago, having the opportunity to jump on Tesla 10 years ago, Amazon. And so if you had that opportunity back then, don't you wish you could have taken it? Aren't you like kicking yourself for not investing in all those things? Well, this is another opportunity for you right now. It is right in front of you. Is this something that you're gonna take on today or let it pass you by as well? Because clearly it has a very bright future ahead of it.